This is Adam here with School Bus Heritage, and this is a tour of a 2003 Bluebird All-American RE. Cabell County Schools, West Virginia, bus 676. I have a good friend that graduated in 2007 that rode this bus as a route bus. So this is kind of for him. Hi Jeremy, if you're watching this, I'll probably send this to you. But yeah, this is bus 676, 2003 All-American RE. It's got a Cat 3126 that I'll show off here in a bit. For the switches, we have, this bus has no air in it, it's sunk in the seat, but got master heater switch, panel lights, indicators for the ambers and reds, strobe lights, mirror heaters, fans, driver dome, front and rear heater, dome light dimmer, I guess, service door. This bus is really dusty. Warning light and master switch, all that fun stuff. And let's go to the back. Of course, it's got a side E-door. This is what the back looks like. There's the child checkmate button, or the child check thing. Excuse me. But it's really dusty in here. But here's some of the body plate information if you're interested. And like I showed that before, you can go on Bluebird Vantage and look that up and find out more about this bus, like the build date and such. And there's the radio and all that fun stuff. So let's go on an outside walk around of this vehicle. So I'll try to squeeze through here. Cabell County Schools. .676, of course. And let's go all the way out here, see how much of the bus we can see. Should be able to see it all. Yep. And now we will get to the engine compartment, and I will show you the engine. Here's the Cat 3126 that I mentioned earlier. Here's some of the startup stuff, like engine compartment lights, remote engine start enable and disable, all that fun stuff. So this has been a 2003 Bluebird All-American RE from Cabell County Schools, West Virginia. Thank you for watching.